Okay, first of all, my name is Derek. Today is my webinar, and I will talk about the cloud. Again, my name is Derek Sa, and I'm an IT director in this firm. So I help firm and help our clients for their IT needs. So if you have any questions, anything you want to discuss, you can contact me, so I will help. Okay, before I start the real things, okay, this is a non-responsibility disclaimer. I want you to read it carefully, and I also want to read it because this is a disclaimer, okay? The Community CPA, as a part of our services to our valid clients, are providing these seminars in order for business to cope with the pandemic and beyond. We are not responsible for any damage the attendees may suffer as a result of following any of advice or information provided. Also, we are doing our best to stay informed. The current situation is very dynamic, and the information could change at any time without any notice. Our information and advice are not legal in nature and should not be construed as such. Please consult your legal counsel if you should need any legal advice. Okay. After that, we're starting for our real stuff today. First, when we talk about the cloud, I think you may see those terms bothers you because too many terms and too many things you don't know, because those terms make cloud, these words, very terms like professional things, big things, huge things. Actually, for me, I want to tell you, cloud is just a cloud. It's very little thing, light thing. Okay. Cloud computing, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, web cloud. Most of them, you don't need to touch it because that is by default is the people who provide your cloud service. Those people need to care of those things, especially for the first 1, 2, 3, 4, first 4, and that one you don't need to worry. Okay. But why we need cloud? This is the very first question. Okay, why cloud? Cloud solution allows small business to access cost-effective, scalable, secure, and innovative technologies, empower them to operate efficiently, compete efficiently, and focus on their core business goals. Actually, the cloud is a tool. Okay, cloud is not something key things to make your business run. No, it's a tools to help you make business run more smoothly. So don't think cloud is a big thing. Okay, it's a small thing. Okay, because now everywhere cloud is everywhere. You may not feel it, but it's still there. It's cloud. That's why we talk about cloud, because now small business, big or small, they always attach the cloud, always use cloud, because cloud, as long as you use computing, use computer, use internet, you touch the cloud. Okay. When you think, oh, I need to go to the cloud. Okay, before you make this decision, I want you to think 8 things to make sure you ready to a cloud. Also, after these 8 points of evaluation, you can find out what kind of cloud service you need. This is a very important step. That is the first step to your cloud. That is the evaluation. Yeah, evaluation step, the first one is business needs. why you want a same question, why you want a cloud? The people want cloud not because the cloud is a fashion or is cool. No, it's your business needs. The business needs usually have that different way. For example, you have a multiple location, or even you have multiple country, you have branches. You want them work together efficiently. Email, before the email, text message, phone calls may not make your management easy because all the data is separate. Everything is there is there, yours is yours. So cloud can make it whatever distance and then make it in one. Same like you are working in our same office. So that if your business needs that, you need cloud. Certainly, you say, okay, I'm a business here, and then I want to work from home too. So that is need cloud too. We consider that as a two location. So doesn't matter is far or near, as long as you wanna do the business cross the location, cloud is a choice. Second, cost analysis. Cost analysis is actually every business is to make money. You have to know how much the cloud will cost you. Also, you want to know, before you do that, you also need to know how much you want to put into the cloud, this project. Because the cloud, sometimes if you don't be careful, that is a very pricey stuff. It's very expensive tools. Okay, you need to know how much you want to spend. You also can calculate or predict how much it will cost you. So we need to do the cost analysis. This one is before you jump into the cloud, okay? Because that will cost you. Third is data security and compliance. Maybe that most small business maybe not considering that one a big part, but actually that is a big part. The data security, for example, if you are doing the credit card and charge the credit card online, and what kind of cloud service is easily to you to do the PCI compliance, or whether your compliance with PCI when you jump into the cloud. So all those things you need to think before. And the fourth is for your future, is a scalability and flexibility. That is, if your business grow, and how did you foresee your business? How many percentage your business will grow every year? And if you have those things in mind, and then you can ask the cloud to fit your business growth. And then certainly the cloud service is suitable for all those kind of things, even your shrink. And then the cloud service can shrink with you too. So, but how to do that, how big or how small, how often you need the scale out or scale back your service, that is evaluation points. So we need to talk about that before we jump to cloud. Okay, the fifth one is hardware, internet connectivity. And if you jump to the cloud, you need to think about how your internet is stable or not, how fast your internet, how stable your internet is. For the jump to the cloud, we'll have a fully jump to the cloud. That means do everything on cloud. That is one model. You also can be a hybrid. What it means hybrid is you do something computing or the storage on your local, and then you do some part things or share part things on the cloud. This second model. So these two models require different internet connectivities and the reliabilities. Because if you are fully on cloud, you need to have fiber or cable, those kind better reliable connections, because you 100% depend on the internet. If internet down, you cannot do business at all. And these things we can discuss in later, but basically, from my experience, I do not suggest use DSL as your internet connection, because DSL have a lower upload speed. That is very important when you, especially when you do the full scale in the cloud. So make sure, try to avoid DSL. Best one is fiber, because fiber upload download always equal. So prefer fiber, not prefer DSL. Okay. The sixth one, integration and compatibility. Not all the existing software is suitable to put into the cloud, especially you or its existing business. If you are the new business, that's okay. You can pick the one who already on the cloud, so you can go to the cloud. And if you are the existing business, you already have a application running on the local, and you have your server, you have your router to gateway to other location. You use WAN to connect everything. So if you already have that, you need to evaluate each of your existing application to make sure it can be put into the cloud. So far, I think I will say so far, almost everything can go to the cloud by different method we can put into the cloud, but that will affect your cost, because some software very old need cost you a little more to put onto the cloud. If your modern software, maybe just they have the cloud function, you just switch and then they will go to the cloud. So that is the part we need to evaluate. Okay, and data control and ownership. This one, I will say most small business will not need to worry about that, because that ownership always is you. You don't need to worry about the ownership, and also data control is always you. Okay, the last one sounds very easy. Vendor selection. Okay, you can select a vendor and then you go to the cloud. Sounds easy. Actually, that is really a biggest part in this decision making, because vendor, we have a lot of vendor. They have a new, they have a old, or they have a big, they have small. Also, not only that vendor who provides you the cloud service, for example, Azure or the AWS, you using their service, they provide you the service, but they do not support you. They do not help you. They want you to find an agent or the tech company as your technical level people. So you need to find those kind of people. That is the main part, because your daily contact is not the Azure, is not the AWS, is the company you hired. That is your ASP. So you need to find a good ASP. Now, those ASP need to know your business, need to know computer, need to know the cloud, need to know your needs. So that three things, actually, they need to know your business. They need to know the computing, what the calculation you need, what the service you need. And also they need to know the cloud provider you select, like Azure or AWS. All those three things is not easy. So find out that if if you want me give you the suggestion, let me know so I can see your situation and then give you some suggestion. Okay, this is a way we make decision, and then we can use this decision to create product and then put us onto the cloud, into the cloud. This is the part I want to talk today about jump to cloud. Actually, should say before you jump to cloud. And because cloud is a huge topic, it's a smaller thing. A huge topic is around you everywhere. When you open your office, it's there. When you take a picture and send it to the OneDrive, that is cloud. And then in your business, if you want, use the Dropbox, all kind of things, storage things, Gmail, that is cloud. So I want to have more time to continue to discuss after when you make decision to jump to cloud, how you continue to process the product and make you stay in cloud efficiently, cost efficiently, and make sure you have a good service with minimum cost. Okay, that is my part today. And if you have any question or if you have any concern, you can send email to Catherine at communitycpa.com, or call us 515-288-3188. And we open Monday to Saturday, and 6 days a week from 8:30 to 5:30. So we are the Community CPA. Community is our key. So we speak 9 languages. So more than 9 languages. So if you call us, you can try to use your own language, talk with us, so we can talk with you, discuss things with you in your language. Okay. Thank you for attending my webinar, and I hope you enjoy the day. Bye-bye.